Hello everyone, I am Tejinder Singh from Bathinda, Punjab. Currently, I am pursuing my postgraduate diploma in Information Technology Management from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. I am an information technology graduate. I have done coding in many languages like C, C++, PHP, Java. I have worked in SAP for 3 years and I have a good knowledge of ERP. Today, we'll be discussing a few topics of human resource management. The first of which is recruitment. Whenever the support team or the technical team has any vacancy or have a new requirement of a person, then the manager usually gives a call to the specialist. In today's companies, that specialist is known as a human resource manager or a HR. The human resource manager then comes into action and through websites, telephonic interviews, direct resumes from graduate hires, colleges, hires the best person who fits in the purpose of the company, who has the abilities like self-motivation, decision-making, creative, is a graduate, has appropriate skills that is required for the company. All these skills are matched and a star for the company is found by a human resource manager. HR managers do much more than the recruiting. They help in increasing the staff performance by suggesting trainings, web-based trainings, in-house trainings, and even act as intermediary between the employees who have disputes and resolve the disputes. They also take care of the well-being of the employees and providing them facilities which help them in increasing the performance of the company. An HR manager helps in shaping the career of the people, giving it direction about what is the right path for an employee to what are the technical skills required by the employee to grow in what direction. It helps in getting the employee paid regularly and according to the technical skills of the employee. The employee, whenever he takes training or does education, the salaries are appropriately increased by the HR manager. HR manager can make a huge difference when it combines the right skill set of people for the right kind of requirement for the company, and the company's growth is eventually increased and managed by the HR. So summing up, the few responsibilities of a HR manager are: they recruit and select the employees, advise on the performance of the employees, help in suggesting them trainings, development and talent retention of the employees, monitor the well-being, facilitate change in the company, pay the salaries regularly to the employees, and resolve the grievances. These are the few functions of a HR manager.